When one ball moves, only one on the opposite side moves. It looks simple, but this device hides one of the most beautiful secrets in physics: momentum and energy transfer.
This is called Newton's cradle. Each steel ball is identical in size, mass, and perfectly aligned. That symmetry is what makes the motion so fascinating.
When one ball hits, it transfers its energy and momentum through the others. Each middle ball stays nearly still, passing the motion along until it reaches the end.
This is called elastic collision, where no energy is lost to deformation or heat. All the motion passes straight through the line of balls with almost perfect efficiency.
Pull two balls and two move out. That's the law of conservation of momentum. The system always balances both energy and movement.
Over time, friction and air resistance steal tiny amounts of energy. That's why the cradle slowly stops. The energy becomes heat and sound.
The same principles apply everywhere, from car crashes to billiard balls to how planets interact in space. Newton's laws are the backbone of motion.
Behind every click of this cradle lies centuries of physics and pure elegance in motion.
If you love learning how science hides in everyday objects, subscribe to elielsmile for more amazing experiments and physics explained.